I'm making spaghetti. I got this is the laziest. I hope my kids like it. My kids know when I don't want to cook, but I want to cook. I want to cook like half, you know, half-ass, you know, whatever. But look, this is. I got some frozen meatballs. I put it in this jar bought tomato sauce. I cut up that sausage, mix it all up. Excuse me. And boiling them noodles, and we gonna call it dinner. I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling good, first of all, okay? I left work. Y'all saw that water jump out? Like, they gonna fight, like. But no, I left work early because I wasn't feeling good. And it's like, I leave work early because I'm not feeling good, and I still didn't get no rest. I had to go to DMV, sit up in there, get them $35 of my money. Listen, why do we have to pay DMV money to get a card that they tell us that we must have? That's not even a choice. That's not even fair. Okay, I do want to drive a car, but why must I have this plastic card when half of the time, I'm not going to say half, I'm going to say 75% of the time I don't even have my driver's license on me when I get pulled over. And he always run me and say, go ahead, or give me my ticket, whatever. I'm in the system. So why must I carry this card that costs $35? Where's the $35 going? Because it's not going to the road. Every time I turn around, I'm hitting the pothole. Then I spend $40 to get a tire. So where's the $35 going? You know what? That's why nobody in Virginia has a driver license. Go and sit in the court. Go and sit in traffic court. One day, on your off day, everybody in there driving on suspended license. Driving on having no license. No, driving with no license, driving on suspended license. It's too much money to have a license. You gotta pay $35 just to get the joint. Don't lose it, because that's gonna run you probably another 10 to 20. I think it's 20 if you lose it. It's just too much. Registration went up a whole $40, I think. Like, why? Why do I gotta have that plate on my car? Because y'all told me I have to have it. I have to have it. This is why they call me crazy. Now, Siobhan, do something about it. What I'm going to do about it? Only thing I can do about it is not get the card. And guess what's going to happen to my retarded ass if I don't get this card they tell me I have to have? That's going to happen to my ass, okay? I ain't retarded now. I have a whole lot of sense, but I'm still going to ask fucking why. $35 for a card I'm not going to carry. So they make things up. Show it to buy cigarettes. Show it to buy alcohol. I look old. I look like I need a drink. No, this is how it should work. Fuck showing an ID for a drink. If you go in the store and you look like you had a hard day, look like you've been stressed out because you just sat in fucking DMV all motherfucking day, I don't care if you're 10. If you look like you stressed out because anything going on in this motherfucking world, you deserve a damn drink. Here. You gotta get an ID to get a drink. Why? I didn't know ID for y'all to stress me the fuck out. It's crazy the things they want you to have an ID for. No, you want to stress me out? Show me ID. You got no ID? Get out of here, man. Get out of here, stress. I'm IDing stress. Stress. You have ID? I can't talk to you. I can't prove who you are. I need some proof. I need an ID and the Social Security. Well, I'm gonna have to move around your stress. Well, you said you're stressed, right? Move around. But no, no, but for real though. Yeah, I don't even know how I get on the ID situation. I need the noodles almost ready. But yeah, that pissed me off today. I mean, it didn't piss me off. I mean, I don't know. When I say it pissed me off, I'm not really like, I don't be cursing nobody out. It's just that I'm venting about it. I was in DMV at 1 something to 2. It's 5 something. I'm venting about it. So yeah, I'm pissed off. This is called pissed off to me. Hours later, I'm venting about it. When one of my friends called me, I'm gonna vent about it again. And so that's when I'm pissed off. Yeah, I don't be mad. I don't curse the lady or out at the... Nah, I don't know. Me pissed off is just me rambling on like I'm doing. But nah, and then my co-workers be acting like I'm crazy. Like, you always complaining about this. Like, damn, why shouldn't I complain? Who doesn't, like, you need to complain. Like, that's the problem. That's our problem right there. We just go along. We just follow along. No, you gotta be something. You're like, no, hold on. I got a few questions. I'm not just walking in there. Like, what's in there? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's in there before I go in there? Yeah. Simple motherfuckers. Yeah, like, they just walk up in there. No, what's in there? Why do we have to go in there? Who said we have to go in there? Do I need ID to go in there? Because if I don't need ID to go in there, I'm not going in there. Because you need ID for every fucking thing, yo. Oh, Lord. So the moral of the story, I guess, because I don't know where the hell I started from. If they tell you don't need ID, question it. Question it. Okay, I think. Nah, I'm gonna warm this up a little bit more because let me get the paper towel for this. Because I put them sauces in there kind of lit. On a late night. Look, I'm Italian. You Italian when you drink your wine. Mm-hmm. I make spaghetti. I like drinking out the bottle. I don't know. It tastes better. Yes. Better. I've been drinking a lot lately. I know this. I know everything I do. I know this. Like people saying, I didn't know this. I mean, certain things I don't notice I do. But, yeah. I've been drinking a lot more. I don't know. A lot of things on my mind, I guess. I gotta get, you know what it is? I got a lot of stuff to be doing and I don't want to do it. That's what it is. So I think I'm gonna drink it away, but I gotta handle it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna handle my business. But why do we get in this slump? Like, I could be in a groove. Why does it feel like water leaking? It is water dripping over here. But I could be in a groove 1 second getting everything handled and it's like, I'm tired. I don't want to do it no more.